Good evening, everyone. It's Heather. It's Monday, February 8th. Well, we seem to make it through the manic Monday, and we're headed in for some Taco Tuesday. This is what the futures look like, which look like, nothing. They really don't look like anything. I can't even come up with anything fun to make that sound like there's something there, but there's not. The the Dow's up a whole 13 points. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq's down like 2. So, wow, super exciting. Remember, this can all change tomorrow, or by the time we open up tomorrow, we'll see how that looks. This is what it looks like here on the charts, the S&P Mini Futures. Look at this climb that we've had. Here's one thing I constantly tell people, and it's not a negative Nelly. It's not a, whoa, something bad's about to happen. Not at all. What I do want to say here is that as we climb up, right, we get tired. We get tired as we climb up these pretty steep hills, and we could look for potentially some relaxing in the market, maybe just some consolidation. Maybe we'll fall back just a little bit. The market still looks strong, and just if we get a day or two of red, that doesn't mean that the trend has changed. It just means we might need to take a little break. So keep that in mind as you take on trades, to know that maybe we'll get a little stalling period. But saying that we might get it just because the chart looks like it might want it doesn't mean a thing. It could keep going. It may not care at all what I think. In fact, I can tell you it really doesn't care what I think. Okay, today, hopped in QCOM here late in the day. This is a reversal play. It actually had come up out of the RSI zone just a little bit, but I like that we held in a very nice level here for a few days post earnings and pushed up just a smidgen. So here, I took the March 19th QCOM 150 calls. I took those on at 570, and then after the close is when I entered my sell, so it'll be ready for tomorrow when I enter those reversal plays. I don't enter my sell until the next day because they are intended to be a swing play. I did put my sell there at 630. So in at 570, out at 630. We'll look and see if anything exciting happens between now and then, if we get a little excitement. I really do like it here to come up to the gap and then move along. So that is QCOM. So for tomorrow, I went through a bunch of charts and found a bunch of so I'm just going to look at a few that actually stuck out to me. Star Peak Energy Transition. I've never traded this, but it came up on a few scans here. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it. It does have some pretty decent options all the way out to April, March and April. So at the 40 level, 40, 45, and 50 level. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one. I'm not setting this trade up at all as of yet, but I like the way it is looking as of right now. The other one, SunPower. This one had a beautiful run, took a nice pause, but now we're getting ready to cross that 3 up over the 8 again. We do have earnings coming up next week, so it won't be a very long trade, but looking for a swing trade here as we continue this move up. But that's really it. I went through a ton of charts, and there's ones in here and there that kind of look okay, but nothing that really jumped out at me, and there's no reason to trade just because we want to trade. That's silly. So I will look in the morning and see if anything else stands out to me here and set up a new video. But that QCOM, I wanted to make sure everybody got that. The other thing I want to comment on is I was out of the room for pretty much most of the day. But I do go back and I kind of read here and there what people are posting. And I am just so impressed and just so happy that all of you help each other. That's what a community is supposed to be. We're not trading against each other. We're not trying to beat each other, but we do challenge each other to learn new strategies, to be better, to be accountable, and that means so much when you're trading. Really, in anything in life, you have to be accountable to yourself, to someone else. Maybe it's just your dog. I don't know. You have to talk through these things and be accountable. It really makes a difference in your trading. All right, everyone, have a fantastic evening. I will see you on Taco Tuesday, and let's hope it doesn't turn into a Tequila Tuesday, although tequila's sounding pretty good right now. No, just kidding. All right, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.